Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 22nd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the storm system moving across the country and also out in the Atlantic Ocean and what's coming in off in that Eastern Pacific Ocean, which will move inland over Washington, Oregon, and California and Nevada regions. But as you can see here in the Atlantic, here goes that system that brought the snow to the portions of Texas, to the Gulf Coast states, to the southeast. It's continued to race on out into the Atlantic coastal water. You can see here's another system here moving into the Baja area, California, southern Mexico, and the southern Texas. Northern Mexico and the southern Texas, excuse me. And then you can see the subtropical jet pretty much just riding along that area right there. And then you can see another one coming in across the northern U.S. You've got some coming into Washington State, also some in Montana down to Colorado, and then more over portions of the Great Lakes and into portions of the northeastern United States as well. Alrighty, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alrighty, as you can see, here is your Thursday forecast. We've got a little bit of mixed precipitation up here, just eastern Connecticut, eastern Massachusetts, and also the coastal waters. Snow flying from up here in Maine, back to Vermont, and New York State, to West Virginia, Ohio, Michigan, northern Michigan, around Lake Superior, Lake Huron regions as well. Also some heavy snow in that area also. Showers down here across portions of Florida, down toward the Florida Keys. And then more activity up here in portions of North and South Dakota, Montana, Idaho, southern portion of Canada. Got some snow flying there. Mixed precipitation over Washington State. Critical fire weather over southwestern California. And some rain showers over South Texas as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area. Alright, let's move on to your Friday forecast. Excuse me. And now you can see we got snow flying from up here in portions of northern Vermont, New York State, to West Virginia, through Lake Huron, Lake Superior, also toward Toronto, Canada, back into Michigan, Wisconsin, northern Michigan, Minnesota, back through the Dakotas, Montana, Idaho, toward Wyoming, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, over toward Nebraska, and southwest and South Dakota. A little bit of mixed precipitation up here in portions of California regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map, your location across the nation. Alrighty. As you can see, we got some winter weather advisories up here in portions of eastern North Carolina. We've got a lot of cold weather advisory from West Virginia to North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, also portions of Florida. Extreme cold weather warnings also in effect for portions of Mississippi, the Panhandle, Florida, southwestern Georgia, southern Alabama. We have freeze warnings in effect for southern Georgia, northern Florida, and freeze watches just south of the freeze warning area in Florida. Cold weather advisories over New Mexico, high wind warning, red flag warning for California, frost advisory there as well. Cold weather advisories and also some air quality alerts over a portion of Oregon. Then we got winter storm warning, winter weather advisories over Wyoming and Montana, high wind warning for a couple counties over northern Montana and also southern portion of Wyoming. Have one little area there in portion of Colorado with a flood watch there as well. Small craft advisories ranging from Maine and then again from the Outer Banks of North Carolina, southern South Carolina to the Florida Keys, eastern Mexico, and then from southern California up to Oregon State. Then central and south Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Central North, small craft advisories there as well. Also around the Alaska area, purple area, expect some storm warnings there. Inland Alaska, expect winter storm watching, winter weather advisories, high wind warnings, hydro issues expected there as well. Alright, take a look at the severe weather. We're not expecting any over the next 8 days currently at this time. 1, 2, 3. No severe weather or thunderstorms are forecast. And then 4 through 8, the probability is too low to predictability as well. So we're not expecting any severe weather at this time over the next 8 days. Rainfall totals over the next 7 days. You can see the heavy precipitation out in the coastal waters. Got a little bit over the Carolinas, maybe about 1/10 of an inch possible down toward Florida. Some heavy precipitation over Texas, over into Mississippi, Louisiana, and Arkansas, and portions of Tennessee, and also into Mississippi. More activity up around the Great Lakes. A few pockets of heavy precipitation from Montana down toward New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, California, California, like I said, and also up in the Montana region as well, and a little bit across southwestern Canada also. Elsewhere, lighter amounts are expected to none. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like these videos, share these videos, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. And we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care.